Hey everybody, and welcome to another Friday with Friends. Today I'm playing around with some of the same colors that I've been using. I'm using the Ultramarine Violet by Golden and the TLP ore that I had mixed up. It was getting kind of low, so I added to that some Golden tube paint that is the Iridescent Bright Gold Fine, and some of my pouring medium so that I would have more. And also this guy is Master's Touch Prussian Blue, which is a color that I absolutely love. And also added some QNAG, the Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And this is a 12-inch round canvas, and I'll be blowing out a bloom on this one, and I have to say this one turned out pretty darn cool. But I'm going to speed a lot of this spinning and stuff up, and I will put on some music and be back with you guys near the end to do a flyby. Enjoy it.
Dressed in velvet, I tried to speak but couldn't make a sound. The sun reflecting in her eyes as I was standing hypnotized. Her laughter when she turned around knocked me over to the ground. Medic went down March, got a serious injury. still with me all the time.
Okay, let me take you in for a close-up on this one. A lot of people tell me that I'm too critical of my own work, and that may be so, but I have nothing bad to say about this one. I absolutely love it. The addition of the Prussian Blue, I love it. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and remember, this is a collaboration. Mary from Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk will be up right after me. Billy will not have a video this week. She is still on vacation, and she is actually flying back today. So she won't have a video, but please make sure and check out Mary's video. She'll be right after mine. And I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I think it turned out great. The QNAG didn't show up quite as much as I thought it might, but I love it. I think it's awesome. But you guys, thank you for being here. Make sure and hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for being here.